In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Workspace name in Notion. If your Workspace name no longer fits your team or project, updating it takes just a moment and helps keep everything organized and easy to recognize. Before we begin, make sure you are in the correct workspace, especially if you switch between personal and team spaces. Also note that some accounts require admin or owner permissions to make this change. Start in Notion with your desired workspace open. Look toward the corner of the app for your profile name or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. This small action is your gateway to all your account and workspace controls. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the Settings window where you manage account details, notifications, and workspace preferences. If you see multiple tabs or a sidebar, we'll focus on the workspace-related options next. Inside Settings, navigate to the General section. This is where Notion groups the everyday preferences for your workspace. Take a quick look near the top to confirm the workspace shown is the one you intend to rename. If you juggle several workspaces, this simple check prevents renaming the wrong one. Now find the field labeled Workspace Name. Click into that field and type the new name you want. Keep the name clear, concise, and recognizable to everyone who uses it. Consistent capitalization helps, and adding a short keyword or emoji can make it stand out in a crowded sidebar as long as it remains professional and easy to scan. Remember, this change only updates the display name that appears in the app and in invites. It won't alter your pages or their permissions. Once you're happy with the new name, click Save. Notion will apply the change immediately. You should see the updated name reflected in the sidebar and anywhere else the workspace name appears. If it doesn't show up right away, a quick refresh usually resolves it. Your content, page structure, and links remain exactly the same. Only the label for the workspace has changed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the Save button is disabled or you don't see the option to edit the name, you likely need higher permissions. Reach out to a workspace admin to make the change. If you collaborate with others, consider sharing a brief note about the new name so teammates aren't surprised. And don't worry, this is reversible. You can come back to the same spot and rename the workspace anytime. That's it. You've successfully changed your Notion workspace name.